Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is photo effect PSD 2023. You can edit in Photoshop, but these are protected password in this app. Download this app for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, join me, and last is my Telegram channel, Sheri official. Subscribe me on my Telegram channel, okay? Here is preview. Just import your photo, press Ctrl S for saving, like a paint design, poster, same thing, redo print. Wow, photo effect and glass overlay. Okay, lightly overlay, watercolor, glowing outline. Okay, and here is water glass, weight glass. Okay, for example, open a new one. For example, this one. Here is a light leak. Remove it, place here, extract. Now we need an image, for example, like this one. Drag here, press Ctrl S for saving, remove it, and you see here is light effect. You can remove this one. Okay, for example, apply any other photo like this one, drag here, enter Ctrl S. You see here is light effect. Okay, and next is this one. Delete this, and now we need image. Enter Ctrl S. Wow, you can mention anything. Here need a portrait photo. Delete it and like this one. Enter Ctrl S. Wow, here is text and here is a background, but there is no background in image. Same thing. Here need a portrait. Okay, delete it. Open this one, drag here. Enter Ctrl S. Wow, picked it. Now I hope these are useful for you. I say again, password in this app I know for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, and last is my Telegram channel for notification. Take care. Allah Hafiz.